bed, bitch, go. Get up, and then they got going on. Time to wake up, bitch, get up. Get up, and then they got going on. Time to wake up, bitch, get up. Get up, and then they got going on. Time to wake up, bitch, get up.
All right, man. Yes. What is going on? Hey, guys, my name is Gerald Peters, and welcome back to the channel. This is the Money Flow, man. This is the Peters Report. If you're not following our new and latest publication, the MFG Bitcoin Trade Report, hit that beautiful QR code right there. Probably be down in the chat box or something like that. It's definitely down in the description of the video, that place nobody looks at. Get down there, subscribe, get on the Bitcoin Trade Report with GP. It don't cost no money, and we're just trying to track Bitcoin. That's what this is all about. Let's check it out real quick. I'm not going to keep you very long. Let's see. Let me pull this up and bring up all them. Add it to the stage, baby. What we're looking at here is the continuous contract for the Bitcoin. And it looks like we're trading at about $109,603. We appear to be trapped right now in a channel. So it's a good chance to come on and talk a little technical analysis here. The yellow line you see, this is the 200 period moving average. It means 200 bars. So whatever chart you're on, whether it be a 1 minute chart, 5 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, or monthly, that period, whenever you look at these indicators, they adjust to that period. So on a daily chart, this would be a 200-day moving average. On a 5 minute chart, this would be a 205-minute moving average. On a weekly chart, this would be a 200-week moving average, right? So pretty simple to understand. We call this a channel for obvious reasons. And let me see if I can't get my little cursor here. Point and shoot. And this is what you're seeing. Look, boom. That is your first point, your pivot point, so to speak. It's not really a pivot point, but you could call it that. It's the first little point we can draw the lines. So if you were drawing a trend line, you need the pivot points, right? That's what most people call them. We don't necessarily use that term. We use anchor and apex point, and then it's just a matter of his price inside of a stage one, right? Which is below the 200-day, below the 20-day moving average, which is that green line you see. Hey, do me a favor, by the way, too. Get on my public chart list. All you got to do is go to stockcharts.com, go to the dashboard, main page, look to the left, scroll down a little bit. It says public chart list. These are charts that are made public. The MFG trade desk, we've got about almost, I think last time I looked, it was 100 plus that we're tracking every single day, multiple times a day. Bitcoin being one of them, as is Ethereum, as is Solana, as is XRP. Those are the only crypto coins that I'm personally trading right now. Not too concerned about any others than those and building large positions. Hey, if you don't know already, text me. Come on, man. Hit me up, baby. Come on. Where you at? Where's the thing? Text me right there, man. Hit me at 1-936-661-7786. I'd love to trade with you inside Money Flow Trading Society. And I think you'll like it, man. All right, so we're trapped in this channel here. Price is moving sideways. We've got pivot points right here. There's 1, 2, 3. So we see it holding. Now, you could say that it's starting to narrow. You notice that? You see that little slope right there? That is the compression or the coming together of the channel. And what you'll see typically, it'll just kind of wind up, and it's almost like it's just building pressure as it comes together. That is the bulls and the bears. The buyers and sellers are coming pretty in line. That's how you get dojis, right? What's a doji? A doji is just simply price. You had it open and it runs up. Let's take that off. And then it comes down, but then price closes. I got that little arrow on there. Ignore that. So you got a closing point and an opening point, right? Well, what's a doji? A doji is when it's ignore the arrowhead. Price opens and closes at the same thing, and you get that cross. You may hear me refer to as Jesus cross. What is that? That is a reversal signal. The bulls and the bears have come together. They're even. That means the momentum to one side is stopping, at least temporarily. Now, we can combine that with the 5. Oh, hotkey, baby. Woo, figured that out. Wow, okay. Look at OG learning new things. Man, oh, man. Looking good today, huh? What's up, Lit? He is teasing. Look. We have a 6-point checklist basically in the Money Flow Training Society. If you go to page 10 of the Peters Report, come on, man. If you're not on the Peters Report, you're kind of a nerd. Let's pull that up. Now, let me show you something here. If you go to geraldpeters.info, that link is in the bio of all my social media, okay? And in there, you can get access to my free ebook. You don't have to die broke. You can get on the Money Flow Trading System ebook, grab a copy of it. You can jump into the second income stream. It's one of the 6 strategies that we trade inside the Money Flow. We swing trade, we day trade, we position trade, we do buy and hold, we do what's called the B&B, and now we got the second income stream, and we just got money coming at us left and right, man. People inside the Money Flow Trading Society are getting fucking rich. It's crazy. Right here, the Bitcoin Trade Report with GP, boom, right there. And here's the Peters Report. So now these are our Substacks, right? Boom. So when I click that, look, Peters Report staying one step ahead of the market. 9/21, Sunday edition of the Money Flow newsletter and GP's playbook for the week ahead. Doesn't that sound cool? Listen to this.
The Peters Report, September 21st, 2025. The Sunday edition.
Now that's my partner, good friend. Man, that's Jess. He's reading that. And it's not easy to sit and read this kind of material for 13 minutes. And, it's tough, man. So I appreciate her efforts. Appreciate everybody who helps me at the Money Flow Trade Desk, man. Help me get out this content. Push my intent into the universe. I'm trying to save and do my part at trying to save our country and our planet. And I know this. Your highest priority should be the management, the growth, and the creation of wealth, because that's how you feed and protect your family, man. That's me at my house in New Orleans doing the whiteboard, baby. You're going to see this on Sunday. This whiteboard publishes to the very back of the petersreport.com. Now, the Substack isn't replacing the Peters Report. The Substack brings the goddamn Peters Report to life. It adds energy, charts, pictures, articles, fundamental breakdowns of these stocks so that it's more than just tickers and in text and quotes and signals. You build a real portfolio that really can provide for your family for the rest of your life. You build actual wealth, man. That's what we're all about here. And if you're looking to be part of a family, a community, a group, text me, man. 1-936-661-7786. You can always get a hold of me in the DMs and the PMs and all that kind of stuff at these social media outlets. It's full auto 11 on all platforms. It'll read it to you, man. So the newsletter can be read to you. These are the stocks that we're always keeping a close eye on this week, and some that we're looking at. This is all done. This isn't just a list of stocks. It's done around the Money Flow Trading System, laid over almost 200 positions, looking for. We want to wait and move and try to stay one step ahead of the market. By me, AKA full auto 11, man. I like that. What do I always say? Always remain bullish and follow the money flow. I am always bullish, guys. Always bullish, because bullish pays. Nothing else does, man. Let's get back on this chart real quick. All right, so here we are. We're caught in this channel. If we get a breakout, this is what I'm expecting. I do. Bull market's not over, man. Now, if we had a turn down and blah, 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 whatever, okay? That could happen. That could easily happen. All right. That could easily happen. That don't matter. We stick to the rules. It comes down, come down. Because we're going to follow every fucking signal from here on out for the rest of your life. And here's what I'm going to tell you. You're going to make a lot of money if you do that. If you just follow a handful of stocks in a couple of different ETFs, you know, the top 5 stocks in like 4 or 5 ETFs, and you never miss a day, and you always look and you lay this over, you're going to get fucking rich. I promise you. You have to. That's the way the stock market works. It's fucking rigged to make you and whoever's in it money. And that includes Congress and all the rich people. They got their money in there. The poor people don't. That's why they don't make no money. You got to buy assets that appreciate or produce cash flow. That's the fucking game. And you got to be about it. So if you're not about it, you're not going to get anything. You better get fired up too, man. Come on, man. I'm tired of it. Let's get you rich, man. Let's get you rich. All right. We had an attempted breakout over here on the 26th. Didn't work. Failed breakout. Came back down. Now we're marching to the tune, but we're slowly moving up to get ready for that breakout over resistance of 110,000. We got support down here at 108,750. And you see it. Bang, 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 bang. Now we're drifting up. And I got a feeling we're going to break through this 110,000. Push us up into the 111,500, which is where the last box was. And this is what I assume. See that box right there? Wherever there's a box, there's a way. Now, price tends to run in the middle of these boxes, and these become targets. So my first target, if I was a short-term swing trader, would be 111,500, man. So anyway, get in here. Get on the, let me show you something. All right, here's the website for the free, at least for now, free MFG Bitcoin Trade Report with me, your friend, GP. If you come over here and you see where it says notes, let me make this bigger. Damn. I don't like that one. How about this? Can't even see me. See where it says notes? Notes. Man, throughout the day on the second income stream and on the Peters report and on the MFG Bitcoin Trade Report, we're dropping the notes, man. Constantly dropping notes. Look, notes. Click it. Look at all this. Everyone has this. Come on. This is me communicating with you. That was in front of my damn house. This is backyard. This is me, man. Living life, walking around, collecting dividends, trading, trying to get rich like everybody else, man. And I believe that anybody, regardless of age, race, sex, or your current financial situation, anybody can become financially free in the next 5 to 7 years. And by 10 years, you could be rich. Come on, man. Come trade with me, man. I've helped so many people. I've made so many friends. Seems like all my friends don't live anywhere near me. They live all over America. And hey, that's all right too. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. All right, let me check one thing here. Man, I got a beautiful thank you note the other day. Homepage, here we are. This is the money flow update. Bam, baby. Bitcoin's on the move. At the bottom of this letter, you'll find our latest video of me breaking down the current Bitcoin trade with bullish and bearish levels of support and resistance, simple to understand profit targets, accumulation zone, and stop loss areas. And that's what we got going on here. That's what we got. That's what I just came on to show you. I am currently long Bitcoin using futures contracts at the Coinbase platform. If you don't know what that is, text me. I'll get you set up, get you started. It's free to open an account. They give you a few bucks to play with, put in some money, futures, trade futures, super easy on the right there, man. Super easy on the Coinbase account. Super easy. So let's see. All right. Just had some people walk by and throw off my train of thought. All right. So our first target here, if you're short-term trading around here, is around 111. If you're swing trading, probably 111,500. Position trading, I'm going to let this baby run up to about 125,000. So, man, I hope that helps. Hey, I appreciate you guys, man. I really, really do. I really do. Everybody trades with me, man. You made it possible for me to follow my career and choice of what I wanted to do here, man.
Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up, and then they got go from. Time to wake up, bitch, get up. Get up, get up.